Gates open, dead up, and racing. Bahala na. Draws for your lead, moving up by the release entry number 1, Showmaster. Bagong Silang is running in between runners. Paring Hilton is on the outside by the rail, moving up Sol Invictus. Grand Fiesta in between those two comes Big Bang Bong, and trailing the group is New Golden City as they round a 3/4 mile distance. Now we have Bagong Silang takes command by a length. Showmaster is in second by the rail, moving up to take third. Grand Fiesta. Sol Invictus down on the inside, moving up on the outside. Bahala na. Paring Hilton running third last, second last, Big Bang Bong, and trailing the group is New Golden City by about 12 lengths up the leader. Heading towards the last 600. Now we have the complexion of the race has been changed. With Showmaster takes command over Bagong Silang in second. Running now Winter on the outside. Bahala na by the rail. Grand Fiesta. Paring Hilton is closing in fifth, running in sixth. Big Bang Bong, Sol Invictus, and a long way back to New Golden City as they turn to the last 400. Gemo Tinte on Showmaster, this time by about 2 lengths. Running in second on the outside. Who's fighting back is Bagong Silang. With the last 150 more to run. Showmaster back to 2 lengths lead. Paring Hilton moving up on the outside together with Bahala na. And leading the finish line, it's Showmaster. Second, Paring Hilton, Bahala na. Number 5, Bagong Silang, and Big Bang Bong for your Pentapecta.